It's time to look at the November data that came in for the Albuquerque real estate market for 2022. It's the first week of December. Hope everybody's ready for this holiday season. And it's definitely slowed down in the real estate market. And that's really the story of the real estate market right now in Albuquerque. And really, it's the entire country that has seen this slowdown. And when I talk about slowdown, I'm talking about the number of homes, transacting or exchanging, if you will. And if we look at the Albuquerque market for November, was 755. These are single family attached and detached homes in the greater Albuquerque MSA. And that's a 37% decrease from last year. So the number of sales has definitely slowed down. However, there were still 755. If we look at pending sales, which should kind of give us an idea where we're going to be here in the next few months with closed sales, it was 745. So again, pretty low number. You can see we have to go back to 2017 to get to these levels. So the interest rates have really taken a toll, I think, on a lot of the buyers out there and just really pushed a lot of people out of the market from an affordability standpoint. And to be fair, it's not just the interest rates, it's also the prices. Median prices in Albuquerque, we hit an all-time high back here in May of this year at $330,000. That's the median price. And now we're at $309,000 for November. Overall, if you kind of filter it out, we had about a 2.3% decrease from the peak here back earlier in the summer to today. It's not unusual to see a little bit of home price pullback this time of year. It's just this year's been so dramatic with the number of homes or the fewer number of homes selling. So we're going to watch that closely and see how that shakes out. We do know there's still plenty of people out there shopping for homes, waiting for homes, looking for the homes that might be the right ones for them. It just seems like a lot of people are kind of waiting to see what's going to happen in the market if they're not a must sell or must buy. And let's talk about sellers. Sellers as well have taken a pause to a certain extent. Because if we look at, actually that's not what I want to look at. I wanted to look at new listings. So this is the number of homes coming on the market, and we're down 18% from last year. But more dramatically, if we look at this on a rolling 12-month going back 5 years, you can see that we're about 14,000 right now year over year. That's a 12-month rolling. Where back in 17, 18, 19, we were seeing about 18,000 and a half homes coming on the market, and now we're down to 14. So it's a very interesting market because not as many people are listing their homes for sale than historically, and not as many buyers in the market right now, which is what's it created is our supply demand ratios are still actually out of whack. And if we go to a month's supply of inventory, which is the supply demand ratio, it's still very low traditionally or historically at 1.5 months, where again, I don't say again because I haven't said it yet, but I've said it many times, which is a balanced market, about 6 months supply. Right now we're at 1.5 months supply. So yes, home sales have slowed down. The number of homes selling has slowed down. However, the number of homes coming on the market is still quite low, and the number of homes on the market for sale are still very low. So at 1,400, and what is that, 1,440 homes on the market. Again, we go back to like 2018, 2017, 2019. We're still half or more of those numbers that we had back then. So if you want to look more of this, I do have a bunch of charts on our website at welcomehomeabq.com. You can dig into these details. Again, it's welcomehomeabq.com, and just go to the market trends tab on the homepage, and you can dig into more data there, or give us a shout. We're the Venturi Realty Group, Keller Williams Realty, 505-448-8888. Thanks for watching.